Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a haul and review video. I recently purchased quite a lot of items from Club Factory, so I decided to review all the products that I received. There are a lot of videos and reviews regarding this app, so I decided to review my experience of how I ordered, how the entire process went, what is the quality of the products that I ordered, what they look and what they actually are. So here is my review of the app, the products that I've received. I hope you like it. Let's get started. So moving on to the process of ordering. The process of ordering on this app is very similar to what it is like on all the other apps. All you need to do is explore and search through all the items present on the app, select that you like, that interest you, put them in your cart, and once you're done with your shopping, you're sure of all the items, just move on to place your order. Now before placing your order, make sure that you check all the products, their quantities, their price, their color, size and everything. So you get options, you get a lot of options to choose from. You can choose various colors, you can choose your size and everything. You can compare prices and all the other things. So once you're done with everything, proceed to checkout, place your order and make payment. You have to make payment right then and there using credit card, debit card or any other source that you feel like. You do not get cash on delivery, so you need to make payment right there. So this was about the process of ordering. So the first item that I purchased is this bag, grayish color bag with this little hanging on it, and this is how you can carry it. This looks very classy. I really like this bag, and this comes with this little pouch, very little space, not too wide, so you can put little things, some money and everything. It comes with this belt just in case you want to hang it on your shoulders, and it's a very simple bag, no chains, no pockets, just like this, wide open, so you can put in everything, stuff it up and close it with the button. So this is what it looks like. So moving on to the accessories that I've purchased. I have ordered quite a lot of accessories and I'm going to review all and put the picture of all the accessories over here so you can get a close-up of everything. Now this one is a set of rings. It had, I guess, 9 to 10 rings, which is very cool, and you get a lot of varieties of rings like this and like this. So you can wear it single with some matching outfits or anything, or you can just wear all of them at once. This is what it looks like. So yeah, the rings were they had really good variety and range of rings, like really good one. Moving on to the next one is this handcuff, like it's a bracelet. Very cute, elegant, simple bracelet. So it's very nice. It's just that it's a little loose on my hand and you cannot even tighten this because that way the design, the pattern of this will get disformed. So but it's really nice. It's very gold colored bracelet and it's very good. Moving on to the next one is this another pair of rings. This also had, I guess, 6 to 7 rings. This is very cool, like very cool. These are very simple silver colored rings, like these ones. So I always wanted to have this and I couldn't find in this range. So either I couldn't find them or they were really expensive. So I was very excited to receive this. So the next thing on my purchase list is this necklace, gold colored. I don't know why I went for gold. I wanted to go for silver one, but I don't know. I really don't even remember that I chose for gold for this color. But yeah, it was gold. I rechecked. So yeah, this has a little K on this and a very cute little heart over here. And you can wear it. This looks very nice. You can have your initial on this necklace, like if you have a name with P, so you can order the one which gives you the letter of P. Moving on to the next one is just another necklace. This has a heartbeat pendant and this also has a little. Moving on to the next item is this anklet, the silver anklet. Very beautiful, very beautiful. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Very beautiful anklet. I ordered 2 anklets. This one is very like the chum chum ones. So yeah, this is what it is, and this came in this little. All the items they have packed really nicely inside these little packagings. Moving on to the next one is this another anklet. This is a very simple and very cute one, silver colored. It is very simple. It has basically nothing. It's a simple chain with this little circular ball, you can see. So yeah, this is what this looks like, silver colored. Very beautiful. This is a 2-layered necklace, and this is what it looks like. Very nice. Moving on to the footwears that I've got 2 footwears. One are these flat baggies in pink, like the cute baby pink color. So this is what it is. Very nice, like very nice. It's just that they are one size larger than mine, so I need to put sole or something and manage to wear these. Talking about the quality, it's not very good. Like, it's actually not something very wow. It's just fine. I would rate it 2.5 on 5. It's fine. The quality is not really good. It's very bad quality leather, so it's not very nice, and you know the pastings and everything are just fine. So I don't really know, and I'm not really sure about for how long I will be able to wear this, but I'm going to share that. So yeah, this is the pair of bellies that I bought. Moving on to the next footwear are these pair of shoes. The favorite item on my list. These are the laces that I still need to put in. So yeah, these are the shoes, brown colored shoes. These shoes are really good. They have very nice pasting, and the quality of the leather is also very nice and shiny. So the shoes are of really good quality, not like the belly ones. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So yeah, these were all the products that I purchased from the app. Summarizing my review, I would say the accessories are of really good quality. They're exactly what they look like. No item in the category of accessories were like they will break from somewhere or you wouldn't be satisfied. All the accessories are really good. So you can go for accessories, thumbs up for accessories. And the next one is the bag. The bags, I would say, are not very wow. Something you wouldn't be satisfied, like the fully satisfaction. You can go for bags in the range of 200 to 300. Do not go for buying very expensive bags. And the next one are the footwears. The bellies were a big no. The shoes are of really good quality. So if you want to buy these particular shoes, they are really good. Otherwise, explore a lot, compare, read the reviews. If you find the similar kind of item somewhere outside, I would suggest purchase from there, like in the category of shoes and bags or clothing. I did not purchase any clothing, so I cannot really say anything about that, but all the reviews that I have watched and read, people are not really satisfied with the clothing item and the material, the quality. So I would suggest do not buy clothing, but yes, the accessories are really good. So yeah, this was about the video today. If you like it, give it a big fat thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, stay happy, share love. Bye.